Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play SoundCloud songs on Discord. All right, let's begin. First, install an extension called Pre-Me-ID. You can find it by searching Pre-Me-ID extension on the Chrome Web Store. Once located, click Add Extension and install it. After the extension is added, you will be redirected to this page. Simply click on the Connect button and then authorize the login with your Discord account. Once done, do the same thing after clicking on the extension icon at the top. Now, go to your Discord account in your browser and follow along. Navigate to Settings, then Activity Privacy, and then enable the options. Share your activity status and display current activity as a status message. Now click on the Pre-Me-ID extension and ensure the SoundCloud integration is turned on. If it's disabled, toggle it on. Next, play any song on SoundCloud, and you'll see the track show up as your Discord status automatically. So that's basically how you can play SoundCloud songs on Discord. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.